We'll guide you through how to use WooCommerce with WordPress, making it easy to set up your online store. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. You need to hover over the Plugins tab and click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce. Once it appears, click Install Now, and after it's installed, click Activate. This will initiate the WooCommerce Setup Wizard, which will guide you through the necessary steps. You'll start by entering your store's details like address, currency, and what kind of products you'll be selling, whether physical, digital, or both. Next, WooCommerce will prompt you to choose a payment method. You can select from popular options like PayPal, Stripe, or direct bank transfer. It's important to configure these settings according to your business needs. Then, move on to shipping options. Here, you can set up shipping zones, rates, and methods, which are crucial if you're selling physical goods. You'll want to decide if you'll offer free shipping, flat rate, or local pickup. After that, you'll be asked to choose additional options like automated taxes and MailChimp integration. These features help with tax calculations and email marketing, respectively. Once you've completed the setup wizard, you'll be taken back to your dashboard. You'll now see a new WooCommerce tab. From here, you can manage orders, coupons, and reports. To add products, hover over the Products tab and click Add New. Enter the product name, description, price, and any other relevant details. Use categories and tags to organize your products, and don't forget to set a product image. Once everything looks good, hit Publish to make your product live. WooCommerce also offers a range of extensions to enhance your store's functionality, so explore those if you need additional features. And that's it. Your WooCommerce store is ready to go live. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.